Hello. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting Donorbox with your Formplus donation form using Zapier. While we won't be completing the full integration as we don't have an active NGO or Donorbox account, we'll show you the steps involved so you can easily set it up yourself. Let's get started. First, we need our donation form. We'll be using the Formplus free donation template, which you can easily customize to fit your needs and can be found in the Formplus template library. So in the search bar, type free donation, it comes up, choose and then click on use this template. If you don't have a Plus account, you will need to sign up. If you already have one, it will simply take you to the builder page, like so. Here, you can edit the form questions to meet your specific donation requirements, add or remove fields that are not needed. I don't need this part, so removing. You can also fill up your payment section to get your donations. Now we're done here. We click on save, click on next. It takes you straight to the customize page. In this page, you can customize your form to suit your preference or desired layout. You can also change background colors, font styles, and colors. I'll be changing this to tamarind. Now that we're done here and our form is saved, you click on next. It takes you straight to the settings page. Now we'll show you how to initiate connection to your donor box. Now that we're in the settings page, we click on integrations. It gives you a drop down of different apps you can integrate. What we're looking for is in here, so we click on choose from this. We type in donor box and click on it. At this point, if you have a Donorbox account, you would require to enter your credentials and authorize Zapier to access your Donorbox account. So we click on connect these apps. But since we're in demo mode, we will not be logging in. After this, we then proceed to Zapier. If this is your first time using Zapier, don't worry. It requires no coding knowledge and you'll be walked step by step through the process. Zapier will guide you through connecting Formplus and Donorbox, allowing you to create automated workflows between your form and donation platforms. You'll be asked to select which or what event information you want to move between these two platforms. At this stage, having an active Donorbox account is required to continue the setup. Now, with a live Donorbox account, you would then test your integrations by submitting a test donation and verifying the information in your Donorbox account. And that's it, guys. That's the process of connecting Donorbox with your phone using Zapier. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.